Hello everyone, this is Arlene Mendez and I'm going to show you my garden. Actually, I didn't have the time to plant this year, but this, like for example, this apple tree, I planted it last year, but now there are fruits in this, and these are Spartan apples. Look at that. Organic. I didn't put any fertilizer on this, so as you can see, it's almost time for harvesting this apple. So nice. And there's more here, so hopefully by next year we will harvest more, because this is the first year. I planted it around, I think, September, but look how pretty this is now. So I am just also hoping that by next year I will be able to garden again. Look at that. And the other one, there's no fruits on that yet, but that was also planted last year. That's Empire apple. But I'm surprised that these have fruits already. Look at that. Really nice. So let's go to the other side of my garden, or my veggies. This is also my Japanese maple tree, and it's been here for, I think, 25 years now or more. When I got the house, it's already here, but it was just a small tree. But now look how big it is, and it's so pretty. It's changing the color again, because this is my garden before. Last year I had so many like veggies in here, but since I didn't have the time this year, all the this was planted last year from May, but then the seeds just still remained in the ground. And look at that, we have so many let's see, squash in here. There's one over there. I'm going to harvest that there, and I've seen a huge one as well. Look at this one here, it's huge. So maybe next week I'll also harvest that. And these are the flowers. Look how pretty that is. Apparently you can also cook the flowers. There you go. The leaves are huge, and it's also turning yellow now because of the weather. We have rain here soon. Maybe in a few minutes it's going to rain, so let's finish this video. And this one as well, look at how cute that is. Yeah, so I'm not gonna touch this yet. This is still small, it's just starting, and around October I'm going to clean this, so at least by next year when I start gardening again, this is already good. And I'm also going to put some soil around April next year. So there you go. Let's see on the other side if there's more in here. Maybe we can see more. Okay, let's try looking. Oh, there's more on that side. Yeah, so there you go. And I know there are two kinds of, let's see, squash in here. I just have to clean this out. Oh, I've seen another one. It's right here. Wow. So here's another plant that's it's the other side of the wall, but it just came here on my side, or the fence. And look how nice it is on my side. And these ivies that we have, I'm going to remove that, because it's just keep growing. Like last year I have this, and yeah, when the weather is nice, I'm going to remove all those. Look, and it's already on top of my fence, so it's good for cutting there. And there's more trees on that side. We have a nice cloudy weather. The rain is coming. Look, and there's the tree. Wow, starting to rain. So these are my plants. Most of these plants are on the table, and I just decided to put this first here on the ground so it can get rainwater, and I'm going to put it back once it's soaked with the rain. There you go. So it's gonna stay here for at least a day, a full day, so they have a bath. And there's these are small, and but yet I want this to be out so that it grows better. And look how pretty that is. I put most of my plants inside the house, but these are the ones that's outside for summer. And look at that. There you go. These are pretty. And this have bigger leaves. There's more. I like snake plants. And look how pretty this snake plant is. And also we have here, this is the moon. I forgot the name of this. Anybody can comment. It's one of my favorites, but I forgot the name. Okay. And this one, it almost died because I put it outside when it was so hot. So I had to remove the leaves, and now it's sprouting with new leaves. But this, look at this, I have to remove that again. I cut that. And then there's more here. This also, I almost throw it away, but then I've seen few leaves. So I said, oh, this is still good. So I just put it outside, and now it's growing again. Once there are lots of bigger leaves, I'm going to cut this again. So there. And the snake plants. Plus here, I also like this. It was only like at 2 leaves, I guess, that I got from my friend. But look how pretty this is now. I have another one on that side, and I think it's somewhere there. But this is getting really nice. And I put out all my oh wow, look at this leaf. Oh, where is it? There you go. Yeah, I put out this for now, so at least it can get some rain. There you go. Yeah, these are some of my plants outside. And let's look on this side now. Yeah, oh, we have this. Somebody, I think it was only one small leaf that I had this, but look how big the plant is now. This is the cheese leaves we have. There's more. And I have another one inside. So that's pretty.